So hello and welcome back everyone to this another video. Here's an update from ICSI and it's a very big update, and this update will give relief to all the graduates and postgraduate students. So we are going to see from point number 3, which is relevant for us. The first is waiver in the fees payable at the time of registration CS executive program. So in this point they have said that if you are a student who have lost your parents due to COVID, for them there is a free registration process to CS executive. So the amount of around 10,000 rupees will not be charged from you if you are a student who have lost their parents due to COVID. Now this is a big relief for all the students, and we should appreciate ICSI for taking such a good gesture. Point 4 we'll talk about. Point 4 is the most biggest part in this announcement. A few days back, if you were a postgraduate or a graduate with 50% marks, you cannot get entry into CS executive until and unless you crack CS EET. But at today's date, from 21st June, you have to remember one thing. If you are a student, if you're a guy, if you're a girl who have cracked your graduation and you have also got scored 50 percentage in your graduation, or you have just simply passed your post graduation, then also you can take direct entry into CS executive without giving the CS EET entrance test, right? So this is a big announcement from ICSI. See, let's read it. Exemption from appearing in CS executive entrance test to graduates. Now if you're a graduate having 50% marks, then you can get direct entry, okay? And postgraduates, that means what? If you are a graduate, then you need 50% marks. But if you are a postgraduate, there is no marks criteria. But if you are a postgraduate, then you can get direct entry into the CS executive program, right? And if you're a graduate, you just need 50% marks to get direct entry into CS executive program. This is the biggest relief for all the students. I'm so happy for this announcement. You know why? Because it was completely unnecessary to study irrelevant things to give an entrance test even if you are a graduate, right? Hope you like the update, and do like and share the video among your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you so much everyone. Happy learning guys. Bye bye and take care.